maybe you will enjoy for the first year, second year, third year. But
Tipid lang, tama na.
yung apat na babae.
Magkatago pre, hindi ako tiwala sa'yo.
Ano ba yun? Pre,